In trauma-informed work, one of the foundational skills we work with is learning how to pendulate. And here's what I mean by that. Or, titrate is another word, but we dip into what is painful, and then we dip out into where we're feeling grounded and resourced. And then we re-regulate, and then we dip into the pain, and then we come back out into I'm okay now. And then we go a little bit into the pain, and then we come back out. So we are weaving these two experiences. If I go so deeply into the pain that I lose myself, I get dysregulated, I get flooded, it's a whoosh, it's a reenactment, it's re-traumatizing, nothing healing. If I refuse to go into the pain ever, will never be uncomfortable, and I'm living in a Pollyanna world, I have all of this unresolved stuff working in me in the underground and informing my unconscious ways of being and unintentionally creating havoc in my life. So the key is the interaction between the two. And so I'm going to leave you with that just as a practice. You dip into one, you go back into the other. You dip in for a little bit, you go back in your resource. You dip in a little bit and you go back in your resource.